Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 18 problem of this month on LeetCode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 452, that is minimum number of arrows to burst balloons. Okay, so in this problem we have given 1 points array. Okay, and these are some values which are just representing the horizontal size. Okay, so this 10 is nothing but the starting point of a balloon, and this 16 is nothing but the ending point of a balloon. Okay, and we don't know about the vertical size. Okay, so this is just a horizontal size given to us. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, first what we are going to do here, we are going to use greedy approach. So we are going to sort this points array in increasing order. So first this 1 by 6 is going to come, 1 by 6, then after that 2 by 8, and after that 7 by 12. Okay, 7 by 12, and after that 10 by 16. Okay, so they haven't given vertical size. Okay, so let's consider this is of my y-axis. Okay, and this is my x-axis. Okay, this is my x-axis, and here I am going to write the size. Okay, so this is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this is 16. Okay, so this is my x-axis, and we don't know about the vertical height, right? So let's say this is of my vertical height. Okay, so now what is the starting point of my first balloon? Okay, so first balloon is starting from 1 and ending at 6. Okay, so let me show it diagrammatically. So this is my first balloon. Okay, this is my balloon number A. Okay, balloon A, and my balloon B is starting from 2 and ending at 8. Okay, so starting from 2 ending at 8. So this is my balloon 2, right? Balloon B. And this is my balloon C. It is starting from 7 and ending at 12. Okay, starting from 7 and ending at 12. So this is nothing but my balloon C. Okay, and here this is my balloon D, starting from 10 and ending at 16. Okay, 10 and ending at 16. So this is my balloon number D. Okay, so these 4 balloons are given to us. Okay, so now I have to burst these balloons. Okay, so see here one thing. See here, what is the are you guys able to see the common point between A and B balloon? Okay, there is one common point. Okay, there is one common point. Okay, this area is common between A and B, right? This area is common between A and B. And is there any area common between A and C? No, there is no area common between A and C, but there is one common area between A and B. Okay, so one arrow is going to burst these 2 balloons. Okay, one arrow is going to burst these 2 balloons. One arrow. Okay, so I have burst these 2 balloons right now. Now I am left with C and D. So is there any common point between C and D? Yes, there is one common point right now. Okay, you are able to see one common point. So one arrow, I can use one more arrow to burst these 2 balloons. Okay, I have to use minimum number of arrows. Okay, so in total how many arrows I am using here? I am using 2 arrows. Okay, so 2 arrows is going to be my output. Okay, so how I am going to solve this problem? How I am going to solve this problem now with code? Okay, so here first of all I am going to find the ending point of my first balloon. Okay, I am going to start by taking count as 1. Initially my count, I am going to take my count initially as 1. Okay, I am going to take initial count as 1. After that I am going to pick the ending point of my first balloon. what is the ending point of my first balloon. Okay, so ending point of my first balloon is nothing but ending point of my first balloon is nothing but 6, right? After that, for the next balloon, I am going to compare if this first starting point of this balloon, next balloon, is starting point of next balloon is, if it starting point of next balloon is less than or equal to the ending point of current balloon. Okay, current balloon. Okay, if this is the case, then I don't need to use additional arrow. If this is the case, then I don't need to use additional arrow, because from here it is clear that the ending point of this first balloon is 6 and the starting point of the next balloon is before this 6, or if it is just 6, then also we can burst. Okay, if two balloons are just like this, okay, then also we can burst using one arrow. Okay, using just one arrow we can burst these two balloons. This is balloon A, this is balloon B. Okay, if the two balloons are matching. So here this is clear. Okay, then I don't need to perform any calculation. After that, I am going to check, once this is done, after that I am going to check if this is again, if this is starting point of next balloon, that is nothing but 7. If my 7 is less than equal to ending point of my current balloon, that is this 6. So right now this is not the case. Okay, so simply here I am going to again count the number of arrays by 1, increment the count. Now my count becomes 2, and when my count becomes 2, then I am going to select the ending point of this new balloon. So ending point of this is 12. Then after that, again I am going to compare if the starting point of next balloon 10 is my less than equal to the ending point of my current balloon 12. So this is true. Okay, this is true. Then in this case I am not going to increment the count, and then my loop ends. Okay, so here just like this I am going to give the output. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement now. Okay, so code is going to be very simple, around 10 to 15 lines. So I am going to write the code now. Okay, so first of all, let's calculate the length. Int n is equal to points dot length. Okay, after this let's take one variable int count, started from 1. Okay, and then we are going to take a value. Okay, so current value, you can say current val is going to be, let's select this value. Okay, so can I write it like this? Points of 0, 1. Okay, so this is my current value. After that I am going to run one loop for int I is equal to 1 and I is going to be less than n, I plus plus, and now inside this for loop I am going to check if this next one. Okay, so here I am going to write points I, and I am checking the starting position right now, right? If this starting points of I of 0 is less than equal to, okay, points of I of 0 is less than equal to my current val. Okay, current value. Okay, if this is less than my current value. Okay, so let's do this. If points of I of 0 is greater than current value. Okay, if this is the condition, points of I0 is greater than current value, then I have to just increment the count. Okay, so let's write it like this only. Okay, so otherwise we have to skip, but now I have changed the condition. If it is greater than current value, then in that case we are incrementing the value right now, right? so I have incremented the value if this value is greater than, but right now this is not incremented, so I don't need to do anything. Okay, so if points of I0 is greater than current value, then in that case I have to increment the count. Okay, if I have incremented the count, like here I have incremented the count, in the last step, then after that I am picking this value. Okay, so my new current value is going to be arrow new current value is equal to be points of my I and 1. Okay, so this is clear right now, right? So in the end I have to just return the count. So this code is very simple, like I have told you 14 to 15 lines. So yeah, in just 14 lines we have written the code. Now let's run the code and see. Okay, so there is some issue with test case 1. So now let's read. Oh, okay, so we haven't sorted the array. So initially I have told you guys that we need to sort this array. Okay, so somehow I didn't write the line for that. So how we are going to sort the array? Arrays dot sort, and which array I'm going to sort? Points array. Okay, so if there are two intervals in my array A and B, then I am going to compare the integer dot compare, so A of 1 and B of 1. Okay, so this is done. In my code I am sorting these based on the their end time. Okay, 6, 8, 12 and 16. Okay, so I am sorting all these balloons based on their end time. So here I have written one arrays.sort function. Okay, so right now all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it and see. So our solution is accepted and it beats 91% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any question, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.